There's nothing fishy about sardines. They are one of the healthiest fish to munch on. Along with calcium, they also provide a hefty dose of omega-3s and vitamin D. Try adding them to a Greek salad or eat them straight out of the can. Although sardines aren't many people's favorite fish, they're one of the best sources of dairy-free calcium out there, and one of these 30 cheap foods that uncover your abs, if you can stomach them. Look for varieties canned with the bones, which are soft and completely edible. The bones are where all the calcium comes from. So, in this case, you need to eat the bones to better yours. Toss the fish into a bed of leafy greens with tomato, cucumber, olives, feta and red wine vinegar. The combo makes for a tasty, Mediterranean-inspired dish. For a quick snack, top whole grain crackers with 2 or 3 sardines and a squeeze of fresh lemon for added flavor. Calcium is the most abundant mineral in the body. Almost 99% of the body's calcium is stored in the structure of the bones and teeth. Calcium is a nutrient necessary for the growth and maintenance of strong teeth and bones, nerve signaling, muscle contraction, and secretion of certain hormones and enzymes. A deficiency in calcium can lead to numbness in fingers and toes, muscle cramps, convulsions, lethargy, loss of appetite, and abnormal heart rhythms. While you cannot control hereditary and some environmental factors, you can still lower your risk of less calcium by making healthy diet and lifestyle choices. A well-planned diet can help prevent less calcium.